So today, I just want to take some time to talk about our vision for your first line workforce and what that might mean for your business. I'd like to start off by giving you an overview of Microsoft's approach to first line workers. Microsoft's mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. That means delivering the tools that every employee needs to do their best. While first-line workers play a mission-critical role, they're often underserved in digital transformation efforts. So empowering them to do their best work and leveraging their experiences to guide business decisions is a huge area of opportunity. Businesses that make it a priority to provide their first-line workers with the right digital tools are seeing some pretty impressive gains in productivity, efficiency, cost savings, and reduction of turnover rate. So who are these first-line workers? They're really the backbone of most small to mid-sized businesses. They're the face of the company, and they play an important role in just about every customer interaction. A lot of times they're task workers that are the key to delivering product and running operations. Think about all of the tasks that these type of workers have to accomplish on a given day. I mean, doesn't it make sense to give them a secure, integrated tool that can do it all? To help create an employee experience that inspires first-line workers to bring out their best every day, this vision delivers against three key promises: putting people first, strengthening culture, community, and inclusivity by transforming collaboration, streamlining your business processes, and protecting your data. Your data. And this is all powered by Microsoft 365. So the first step or promise, collaboration. In order to foster a culture of collaboration, you want to help first-line workers do their best by working from anywhere on any device. So Office 365 brings together the communication and the information in one place to give your workers what they need when they need it. They can securely chat with coworkers, they can share and manage handbooks and files, they can use images that are not stored locally but on a secure cloud. And for some of your workers, you can even add professional email and calendaring to help them stay more productive. Now, another thing you want to do is simplify how the work gets done. So Office 365 provides a modern tool to streamline everyday business processes to manage your first-line workforce. You can create, manage, and swap shift schedules so that everyone can see the latest version, clock in and clock out from a mobile device, easily track the completion of tasks, and a lot more processes that are totally streamlined and mobile first. And of course, none of that is important unless you can protect your data. So by harnessing the power of AI, intelligent security, this platform can proactively protect your employees, your data, and your customer information without hindering productivity. Office 365 will give your first-line workers access to the information they need on any device without putting your company at risk. Now, Office 365 SMB for first-line workers is currently offered in two SKUs, and it's priced to match your organizational needs. One of our customer experience professionals will be happy to go through this in detail and demo some of the features that you get so you can see which option is best for you. Now here's a look at some of the actual views of what the workers would see on a tablet or mobile device. This is shifts. So if a worker's looking at this, they can look at their shift, swap their schedule out with someone else, pick up an open shift, or request time off, as well as clock in and clock out. Here's some job-related content on a mobile device. They can view employee training guides, and you can even have a read receipt so that management knows exactly when the employee has accessed the training file. It helps to simplify the onboarding process and get workers the information they need faster and more efficiently. Because it's built with Teams, you can customize the experience. So you can use bots, tabs, and connectors to make business apps simple to access. You can automate business processes with Power Apps and Flow. And we can help you to build custom integrations to whatever job needs to get done. Another great thing about Teams is it allows for role-based experiences. So you can configure policies and decide what apps need to be viewed by which workers, enable on and off shift capabilities to limit access to certain apps at certain times. It's all about connecting and engaging your workforce. We use the praise feature all the time here at PTG. It's a great way to acknowledge a worker who has shown leadership or kindness or been a team player or a problem solver. And it's public for all the other workers to see that you've acknowledged that worker. Teams is also a great platform for the live events and for sharing announcements via video. Here's some other ways that SMB Firstline is going to empower communication and collaboration using Teams. Record and share audio messages on demand. Share your location so that you can track where your delivery drivers are. And the smart camera feature, which will allow someone to capture and annotate an image, upload it immediately, and chat about it. So say a package gets delivered and it's damaged. That worker can document the package that was damaged, upload it, and get a response from management instantly, all without leaving the Teams app. What we're looking at here is a low friction experience. Phone number based sign-in makes it effortless for workers to get on board. Enterprise level security and private and public channels. So, putting PTG's expertise with Microsoft's Teamwork solutions is going to help your Firstline workers to work and collaborate better from anywhere. We can do the lift and shift data migrations, and our Ready, Set, Go Teams training is going to get your workers up to speed on how to use these new features quickly. So we're not only going to turn it on for you, we're going to show them how to use it as well. And if you take advantage of our managed services, which is customized for your size and needs depending on your organization, you'll get ongoing support for this Firstline Worker solution, so you never have to worry about costly downtime. So are you ready to empower your Firstline workers? Why should you choose PTG as your provider of Office 365 for SMB Firstline? Well, one, we're the Office 365 experts. We've been doing it longer than anybody. And we've supported SMBs with Office 365 since the beginning. We have the trainers and experience in-house to make your adoption smooth and successful. And our business was built to serve SMBs, just like yours. So we can leverage technology to increase your business value. If you're ready to get started with this exciting program, go to info.goptg.com/firstline fill out the brief contact form, and one of our customer experience professionals will be in touch with you to get started. And don't just take my word for it. Here's what some of our PTG customers have said when we've helped them integrate teams into their own unique experience. So what are you waiting for? Get started now. Start learning how to increase the protection and productivity across your business by securely connecting your Firstline workers to help them get more done. We're ready to discuss next steps with you. info.goptg.com/firstline. Fill out the form. One of our team solutions managers will be in touch with you, or you can simply call the number today, ask to speak to Graham Cobb, Director of Customer Experience, and we'll get started.